Vangoa 41-inch electric acoustic guitar. Discover the Vangoa 41-inch electric acoustic guitar, a perfect blend of style and functionality, ideal for beginners and seasoned players alike, finished in a sleek matte black. Featuring a spruce top and mahogany back and sides, this full-size guitar offers a rich, balanced sound, enhanced by its dreadnought body for deeper, brighter tones. The improved X bracing and thinner paint enhance sound quality, ensuring stability and minimal sound loss, making every strum count. Designed with player comfort in mind, the smooth fret ends and Type-C profile neck allow for effortless movement up and down the fretboard. Low-action strings reduce finger pressure, making it easier for beginners to learn and practice for extended periods without discomfort. Tuning is quick and precise thanks to the 18:1 gear ratio, superior to standard 15:1, ensuring your guitar stays in tune longer with its sealed, nickel-plated tuning pegs. Ready to hit the stage? This guitar comes equipped with a built-in 4-band EQ and volume control, perfect for live performances or studio sessions. Plug into an acoustic amp, mixer, or PA system with ease, thanks to the versatile output options available on this guitar. The bundle includes everything you need to start playing: a padded gig bag, extra strings, a capo, picks, a tuner, and more, saving you time and money. Also included are a self-adhesive pickguard, a polished cloth, an adjustable shoulder strap, a cable for amplifier connection, an Allen key, and a user manual. This all-in-one package is designed to provide you with all the essentials, ensuring a smooth, enjoyable playing experience right out of the box. Whether you're practicing at home, performing live, or recording in a studio, the Vangoa electric acoustic guitar offers quality, convenience, and versatility for every musician. Rated 4.5 stars. Currently selling on Amazon Canada for $239.